Hey everyone, welcome to this comprehensive data analytics course tailored for beginners. In today's data-driven world, data analytics plays a crucial role in various industries and applications. So in this course, we'll delve into the fascinating world of data analytics and explore its incredible power. But first, let's understand what data analytics is all about. Data analytics is the science of extracting trends, patterns, and relevant information from raw data to draw meaningful conclusions. In 2023, data analytics brings immense benefit to business. We'll explore 5 key advantages. It supports decision making, increases efficiency, enables personalization of business strategies, fosters innovation in products, and helps understand customer behavior better. Now let's see how data analytics is applied in different domains. Whether it's the healthcare industry, media and entertainment, education, government organizations, e-commerce, or retail, data analytics finds its place in enhancing operations and decision making. The importance of data analytics cannot be overstated. It aids in scientific decision making, improves business profitability, optimizes resources utilization, and utilizes various approaches and techniques. In the past, traditional accounting methods relied on cumbersome notebooks and spreadsheets. However, data analytics has revolutionized accounting, leading to improved decision making, enhanced financial reporting, cost efficiency, and predictive forecasting. To understand the data analytics process flow, we will walk through the 5 steps: defining the problem, measuring and validating data, analyzing the data, implementing solutions, and assessing the outcomes. Data analytics follows a life cycle consisting of discovery, data preparation, model planning, model building, result communication, and operationalization. Types of data analytics. We will explore 4 types of data analytics: descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive analytics. Each type offers unique insights into different aspects of data. Descriptive analytics, designed to access information about the past, focuses on summarizing historical data. Diagnostic analytics help us understand why something happened, with providing an understanding of causal relationships and sequences. Predictive analytics, predicting future outcomes in terms of probability of an event to occur, identifying a target audience for a promotional campaign, forecasting weather, planned failure prediction, and travel products recommender system. Prescriptive analytics provides the solution for prediction in the future. It creates and updates the relationships between action and outcome using a feedback system. It also helps in making optimal recommendation during the decision-making process. It helps in mitigating the possible risks based on the available predictive analytics. It has the power to suggest favorable solutions and ease the decision-making process. It is the final frontier of advanced analytics. It is used by recommendation engines in companies. Data analytics brings incredible benefits, including improved decision making, target audience definition based on preferences and behavior, and cost reduction through enhanced efficiency and resource allocation, inventory management, preventive maintenance, and energy consumption optimization. In e-commerce, data analytics personalizes shopping experiences, optimizes inventory management, and detects and prevents fraud. So let's dive into this exciting world of data analytics, and I guarantee you'll be amazed by its potential and its impact on various domains. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more engaging content. See you in the next video, inshallah.